fields.
But Matilda...
Upsy-daisy! Oh, isn't he a darling, Clyde?
Matilda...
There we are, precious. Gracious, he must have the colic, Clyde.
He hasn't anything of the sort. He's purring. He's a kitten.
But, Pa...
No, Ma, we cannot keep him. No, 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 no. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. It's no use, Ma. Junior's a cat, and cats belong with people. And you'll have fish and liver. And you can lie in front of a real fireplace. Goodbye, son.
Oh, what a darling little kitten.
May, Pa, our baby's birthday.
Hey, what do you say we go up to the house and have a peek at Junior?
Oh, Pa! Pa!
Oh, no!
Oh, Pa, isn't he a darling?
Yeah, he sure is a cute little stinker. Well, here we go again.